to Obars. Obars ba? Thank you for coming. Physical surrender to the rush of death. When the heat of the morning wind can turn away, and enchanted a moment, and it sees me through. It's enough for this rest as a woman just to be with you. And can feel the love tonight. It is well beyond. It's enough for this one I do remember that we've gone this far. And can feel the love tonight. It's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. There's a time for everyone if we only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope bruises only turn. There's no rhyme and reason to the wild outdoors. When the heart of this dark horse won't you beat in time of yours. And can feel the love tonight. It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. Thank you so much. That was a beautiful song from Elton John. I'd like to welcome everyone here at Ian's place. No, to Obars. Obars ba? Thank you for coming. And to all my friends all the way from Qatar man Samar di ay. Right. I'd like to share this next song. Here's a beautiful song from Gilles.